Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure Chrome is current, because extensions behave predictably when updated. Next, choose paid versus free VPN. Paid gives better speed and no ads, while free often limits bandwidth. Once decided, sign into your Google account to manage installations and sync settings. Now open Chrome's web store, search for the VPN name or type, VPN extension, and prepare to compare ratings and permissions before installing. After finding the extension, inspect permissions carefully. It may request access to read all site data, which affects privacy. Once comfortable, click Install and watch for the confirmation dialog. Make sure the extension is from the correct vendor name. After installation, click the new toolbar icon, then create or sign into your VPN account. Follow any onboarding steps like granting proxy permissions. Configure a preferred server or enable automatic connect, so future browsing is protected without extra clicks. Finally, confirm everything works. Connect to a server, then visit an IP check page to verify your public IP and location changed. Make sure the extension is pinned to your toolbar and set to auto-connect if you want persistent protection. If sites fail to load or video lags, disable other proxy or privacy extensions, conflicts are common, and clear Chrome cache, then reconnect. If authentication or connection errors persist, restart Chrome and re-enter credentials. Contact provider support if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.